Okay, let us know how to use the Adobe Connect app and enter the virtual classroom. For first, if you are an Android user, go to the Play Store, search Adobe Connect, and click on the Adobe Connect and install it. So right now I have installed the app, and after that, the payment and the account one is linked together. So as soon as your payment confirms, your unique user id, student's unique user id and password will be made and will be sent to your email id, registered email id. Okay, this is how I got, as a student I'm explaining. It's a demo one, how you will get the app, the app's applications, or your accounts URL. By clicking this, you'll get the information regarding your user id and password, and you'll get a unique account URL. Without this, no one can access. So now, by clicking this, you will be automatically redirected to your account. So in mine it's not happening, so I have bookmarked the link already. As you're seeing this, I have created, I have typed earlier, so it's not mine mobile, it's not supported. Yes, this you will get your app, your account URL, and it's asking now the username and password. So username will be your registered email and password will be sent to your email, and this is your unique, yours only password and user id. So if you're shared with others, your account will automatically blocked, and you will be not able to access, because a single account can be accessed through only single person. So if you're sharing, your student or your children may not able to access this account. So now your account and your profile is open now. So these are the demo, 3 demo which we done earlier. So it's not so important. These are my meeting. So as a student, you should click on my training. As soon as you click the my training, you will get the upcoming classes. The 2 classes are there, the period 1 and period 2. 2 period will be there a day, and that means 2 subject for a grade. So for example, it's grade 5. There are 2 subjects, so subjects changes day by day or class by class. So this is grade 5, and which starts tomorrow, 14th of December, and 11 to 11:45, and others is 10 to 10:45, 2 classes. So if you want to attend the classroom or virtual classroom, so this rocket button or the launch button, or what you are seeing is, so that should be clicked, and I'm clicking there. So now it's asking, where do you want to open the room. So if you have download the application, you click on open in application. Not yet downloaded, you download and then click. So it's there here, install. You can again install. And if you having any problem regarding this downloading the software, you can also use in browser. So that's why both choices are given. Open in application. So now if you don't have the app, get the Adobe Connect app. It's written there if you don't have. So now let us open the Adobe Connect. So meeting has not yet started, so that's why it's not hosted by the teacher. Tomorrow you will be able to access. So this is the way how you attend the classes. So again I'll explain. um, Again I'll explain. First thing, you will click on my training for the classroom, and this is the launch button where you click to attend the classes. And if you want to access the recordings, you can search here in my recordings, what you're seeing here. And if we are making the meetings, you'll be getting no. So these are the demo one, and which will be deleted. So training catalog will be there, and which is not authorized. So these things. So if you want to attend my training, and if you want to access recordings, my recordings. If any doubt occurs, let me know, or you can also contact the school number regarding the technical support. And thank you once again. I'm logging out now. So I have logged out. So thank you.